Guys, you should explore Philippines while you still can. Ang daming magagandang place to visit. See, this river in Bohol, napakaganda. It's so relaxing. Ito na si Jaden. Hinihila ko pa para mag-video kami.
To receive.
Ito yung stopover namin sa river na pwede kang bumaba ng boat at mag-picture and videos with the locals.
Hey ma'am! Oh la la! Oh le! Oh la la! Apa itu? West Virginia and tomorrow take me home on the road. Next kuya. I belong West Virginia on tomorrow take. Thank you very much. Yung background.
This is the Rio Verde Floating Restaurant. Ang sarap ng food nila. Pansit, fish fillet, chicken, seafood. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanilang dessert ay ang suman. So yummy! We also enjoy the music while riding the boat. Ang galing ni Kuya.
Open up your mind and see, let me open up your mouth and damn you're free. Look into your heart and you follow love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing.
At syempre, kailangan kong matry ang pambansang sayaw ng Pilipinas, ang tinikling. Wow! Hindi siya madali, nakakahingal siya.